Hello, Matujiman. You're watching Morning Pulse on Onbill TV. Following the chaos during the football icon Lionel Messi's event in Kolkata, West Bengal Police on Saturday said that organizers of the GOAT India tour have promised to refund the tickets fee to the fans. Police have also arrested the chief organizer for mismanaging the event, leaving thousands of fans frustrated by Lionel Messi's brief appearance.
सवेरे जो इनसे तीन चीज है, नॉर्मलसी अभी टोटली है, ठीक है, जिनको जो नॉर्मलसी की बात थी सब हो गया है। सेकंड पार्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, एफआईआर इज बीन लॉन्च और जो चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजर है ही हैज बीन अरेस्टेड, ठीक है। इन द मीन टाइम नो ही इज बीन अरेस्टेड एंड द थर्ड पार्ट एज आई एम टेलिंग कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इंक्वायरी कमेटी की जाएगी और इंक्वायरी यस ही इज बीन अरेस्टेड, ठीक है। No. Again, I'm telling you, they are promising that they will return. We'll see how it can be done.
In the morning at Salt Lake Stadium, there was some kind of anger or anxiety in the fans saying that he's not playing. The plan was that he will come here, wave and meet certain people and leave. Now the government has already constituted a committee which will look into all the aspects of if there was a mismanagement from the organizer side or anything else. This will be looked into. Second, to the fans, we have already told the organizer, we will persuade him. He is giving in writing to the whomsoever concerned that the tickets which have been sold, they should be refunded, because there was not much of this thing was done. Now the situation is right now under control, and I would urge all the fans. Calcutta is an emotional place. A lot of fans must have felt that they would be able to see Messi playing. They couldn't see that. The program was a little too short and this thing. So we would right now what we expect is that the organizers will come through as far as that return of ticket is concerned. They're giving in writing, but we'll make sure that they return, otherwise legal action will be taken. The mismanagement we have seen from the organizer side, their team, security team, their press team running around. This is we will take action, and we have already detained the organizer. So this is it. Right now, all of us should calm the tempers. Sir, as I'm saying, please. I am not taking questions. The other details, please listen to it. We have already detained the main organizer. We are taking action so that this mismanagement does not go unpunished, and we will see that the fans. That's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated. That is for. Please, this is not for. I will let the more details, if any is required or anything, if I have missed. I think ADG Law and Order and CP Vidhan Nagar will address.
Sir,
is that all right? Just a minute, please.
The campaign for the Arunachal Panchayat and municipal elections formally ended at 4 p.m. on Friday, ushering in the mandatory silence period ahead of polling. The State Election Commission has urged political parties, candidates and voters to cooperate fully and uphold the sanctity of the democratic process during the final phase before voting day. Arunachal Pradesh will go to the polls on December 15 in what will be the 12th Panchayat election since the NEFA Panchayat regulation of 1967 and the third municipal election for the state's only two civic bodies, Itanagar and Pashikat. The counting of votes is scheduled for December 20. The elections will cover governance units including 27 Zilla Parishads comprising 245 constituencies and 2,103 Gram Panchayats comprising 81 constituencies. The Itanagar Municipal Corporation has 20 wards while Pashikat Municipal Council has 8 wards.
उनको मैं थैंक यू कहता हूँ और उसके टीम जितने भी यहाँ में आए हुए पब्लिक, आप सबको सभी को वेलकम करता हूँ दिल से, तन मन से। याजो तार पाचो टिपा ताचुंग तार रारी NCP Togo Tatung
Addressing the international conference, Purvodaya, Nepal's ambassador to India, Shankar Prasad Sharma, said that connectivity between Nepal and eastern India is strong, with Kolkata, Haldia acting as the primary port to the Nepal's transit trade. He added that Nepal has started exporting electricity to India and is developing transmission lines in both the western and eastern regions of the country.
I think in terms of connectivity, we have a good connectivity in terms of Nepal and the eastern part of India. The reason is that the Kolkata Haldia is the major port for Nepal for any kind of transit trade. The second is now Nepal has started exporting electricity to India, and then we are building transmission line in the western part and the eastern part of Nepal. And eventually we would like to see this transmission line being linked to the entire BIMSTEC region. Nepal has also started exporting to Bangladesh through the transmission line built between India and Nepal. And the digital connectivity, I think it has been very recently initiated between Nepal and India. I think this goes across all these regions, Southeast Asia and South Asia and the eastern part of India. So in all these perspective and the dry ports, integrated checkposts that we are building in Nepal, so that is more beneficial to integrate Nepal's economy with the eastern part of India, as well as in the later on in the second phase, probably in the Southeast Asian region.
Thousands of football fans gathered in Kolkata this morning to catch a glimpse of Lionel Messi, but what could have been a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness live one of the greatest footballers of their time turned out to be a nightmare. In Kolkata, Messi's brief appearance at the Salt Lake Stadium left many fans upset. Surrounded by dignitaries and politicians, his presence did not allow even one glimpse to thousands of fans who had paid up to Rs 14,000 per ticket. Their anger turned to chaos as vandalism followed, leaving the organizers and security team at the loss of how to bring the situation under control. Then erupted a political uproar, with the BJP attacking Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for total embarrassment at a global stage. Banerjee apologized and formed an inquiry panel led by a retired judge. Governor C.V. Ananda Bose ordered the arrest of the organizer and the refund of the ticket money. Opposition leaders are blaming the ruling government and said that the incident has exposed the TMC government's law and order and corruption. West Bengal is considered the nation's football capital. The public will not vote for the TMC.
में एक दृश्य देखा गया जिसमें क्या सिक्योरिटी लैब का मिसयूज।
देखिए, हमारे पश्चिम बंगाल की पुलिस ममता और उनके नेता लोगों को खुश करने में व्यस्त रहता है। इसीलिए जब मेसी आया, बंगाल को, कोलकाता को फुटबॉल की मक्का कहा जाता है। लोग इतना हो सकते हैं ये उन लोगों को मालूम था, और मंत्री लोग और ममता को इसका क्रेडिट लेने का बहुत इच्छा था। लोगों का, दर्शक का यही उन्होंने अभियोग किया कि जिनको देखने के लिए इतना पैसा से टिकट लिया, मंत्री लोग ही उनके साथ घूम रहा है, उनके साथ सेल्फी ले रहा है, तो टिकट बेचा क्यों? ये मंत्री को भी समझना था, ये पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को भी समझना था। मेसी के सामने बांग्ला को फिर से नीचा दिखाया हमारे राज्य के सबसे खराब मुख्यमंत्री
वो हफ्ड़ा-दफ्ड़ी और पुलिस का क्या बोलेंगे?
देखिए, जो भी घटना घटी है बहुत दुर्भाग्य है और इसके कारण पश्चिम बंगाल की बदनामी हुई है और इसका हमें खेद है। लेकिन ये दुर्घटना ने फिर एक बार उजागर किया है टीएमसी सरकार और टीएमसी का जो प्रशासन है उनका भ्रष्टाचार और उनका लॉ एंड ऑर्डर से लेकर के वो अतिथियों का किस तरह से स्वागत और सम्मान करते हैं, एक बार फिर टीएमसी सरकार ने दिखाई है। देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल जाना जाता है अतिथि के स्वागत के लिए और सत्कार के लिए, और जो है पश्चिम बंगाल जाना जाता है, इसको हम जो है देश का फुटबॉल का कैपिटल मानते हैं। और फुटबॉल के इतने बड़े इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी के साथ जो व्यवहार हुआ पश्चिम बंगाल में, और इसके कारण पूरी दुनिया में आज पश्चिम बंगाल की बदनामी हुई है, और पश्चिम बंगाल को एक बार फिर शर्मसार करने वाला वो टीएमसी पार्टी और ममता दीदी, मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी है। और इस कार्यक्रम में उन्होंने सोचा था मेसी को ला करके वोट से पहले जो है वोट मांगेंगे, लेकिन ये दाव उनका उल्टा पड़ गया, क्योंकि जनता तो वैसे ही वोट देने वाली नहीं है और मेसी को भी आपने नाराज करके भेज दिया। इसके कारण हमारे जो है हजारों जो खेल प्रेमी, जिन्होंने आप कल्पना करिए 5,000 से लेकर के 12,000 रुपए तक उनको देखने के लिए जो है पैसा खर्च किया, पैसा दिया, लेकिन जैसे ही मेसी आया, यहाँ के पॉलिटिशियन, उनके परिवार और प्रशासन के बड़े लोग उसको कब्जा करके रखे। पब्लिक एक नजर भी जो है मेसी को देख नहीं पाई और इसके कारण ये सारा मेस हुआ है। और एक बार फिर बंगाल को बदनाम किया है, एक बार फिर जो है टीएमसी ने अपना असली चेहरा जो है जनता के समक्ष पूरी दुनिया को दिखाया है। इसलिए हम कहते हैं जितने दिन तक ये टीएमसी जीवित रहेगी, पश्चिम बंगाल जो है बार बार शर्मसार इनके कारण होता रहेगा। इसीलिए जल्दी इनको विदा करना ये हम सब का कर्तव्य है।
West Bengal Congress President Subhankar Sarkar also said that the administrative structure of the Bengal government has collapsed. The government has no control over it. West Bengal Sports Minister Arup Biswas announced the government has ordered to investigate the matter and investigation is going on.
সরকার ইতিমধ্যেই তদন্তের নির্দেশ দিয়েছেন, যতক্ষণ তদন্ত চলছে ততক্ষণ কোনো মন্তব্য করব না।
मैं एक ही चीज बोलना चाहता हूं, बंगाल का सरकार, इनका जो प्रशासनिक जो फ्रेमवर्क है अभी वो पतला हो गया है, उसमें कोई यार कंट्रोल सरकार का नहीं है। सरकार का कंट्रोल होता तो ऐसा स्थिति नहीं बनता। जो बंगाल का तस्वीर सारा विश्व का अंदर में जो आज गिरा है, इसका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सरकार को लेना पड़ेगा। क्यों पहला हर चीज को ध्यान में रख के पूरा ऐसा व्यवस्था होना चाहिए था। मेसी जैसा एक प्रोमिनेंट प्लेयर जिसका वर्ल्ड में इतना उनका नाम है, उन्होंने जिधर जो धरती पर आएंगे सारा विश्व नजर उसका ऊपर रहेगा। तो ऐसा मिसमैनेजमेंट क्यों है? ये जो सरकार है और जो स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट है खुद रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चाहिए। और चुनाव तो आ गया, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का क्या बात है? मेरा ख्याल से ये लोग आज सरकार चलाना नहीं चाहता है, इनका काम सरकार चलाने का नहीं है। आज जो स्थिति बंगाल में पैदा हो गया।
West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose condemned the chaos that erupted at the Salt Lake Stadium during football icon Lionel Messi's visit on Saturday. In a statement, the governor described the day as a dark day for the sports-loving people of Kolkata. The West Bengal governor also expressed shock at the alleged lack of planning to ensure the smooth conduct of proceedings surrounding Messi's visit. He also added that the organizer has been arrested and an investigation has been done.
The organizers have carelessly gone the way of commercialization of Messi's visit here. They have ignored the sentiments of the fans. After all, it is the fans who make an icon an icon. So the fans have got a right to see their hero. Knowing all these things, the organizers only focused on money making, which cannot be endured by a civilized society. You see, the fan mentality should be understood properly. We cannot blame them. They have come with great expectations of seeing their hero, the icon, Messi. That's a natural feeling in all the fans. The authorities concerned, particularly the organizer, did not take care of these instances. That is where the failure lies.
Also, the event management is also failure.
Organizer means all those who are associated with the event.
Take a serious action against him, sir.
The organizer has to be arrested. An investigation has to be done. The arrest should take place immediately, not later than 24 hours.
The Indian National Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge on Saturday expressed gratitude to the people of Kerala for delivering a decisive verdict to the United Democratic Front in the local body elections. Congress MP K.C. Venugopal said that in the history of Kerala, local body elections where the UDF and Congress have secured the maximum number of seats.
Very good news, because it's a triumph, clearly a triumph in favor of UDF. in the history of Kerala local body election, this election is the election where UDF and Congress got maximum number of seats. So it's a big boost for us. Certainly the trend is very clear. We are going to win the next assembly election.
But sir, one corporation which is really can be a point of worry for.
No, that's what because that exactly because but in Trivandrum corporation we have done well comparing to the last election. But the problem with CPM didn't well at all because heavy anti-incumbency that corporation was there, and the completely CPM. Then generally their policies are nowadays they are completely supporting centers. Therefore, I think their cadre voted for BJP. Some of the seats. That is why this result came. But we will fight out. But in Trivandrum district, UDF done well. District Panchayat we have done well. All other block Panchayats we have done well. Trivandrum also we have done well. Only this corporation also we have done well, but comparatively last time. But CPM performance was bad.
But you have a member of parliament from there, referendum of your MPs work over there?
No. Because what exactly our tally is improved. We will accept. I don't want to comment any individual on that because we will anyway success and failure both we will examine.
This is the indication of the people's feeling against the state and central governments, because UDF has an upper hand in all these things. Compared to 220 local body election in Grama Panchayats, District Panchayat and corporations, our victory is very remarkable. This shows that Pinarayi government is totally against the people. The people's vehement people's protest was the indication of this. And also we are very confident that just going to assembly election, this result will improve and UDF will come back in the power.
And BJP is going to have a first time in a corporation, going to rule a corporation.
That will be a very dangerous thing. That they have elections. BJP and CPM. CPM's many important leaders are why they have failed, because they have a secret understanding. Otherwise, BJP can't come this figure.
And what do you think? Is the Sabarimala played a major role or any other issues that...
Sabarimala played a major issue. The CPM tried to raise this Rahul issue. That was not affected in the results.
A vehicle was intercepted in the Kotkal checkpost at Assam Meghalaya border on Saturday on thorough search. The police team recovered 29 cartons of Burmese cigarettes from the vehicle. Two persons, namely Primpal and Danvir from Uttar Pradesh, were apprehended in the connection and further investigation is ongoing. SSP Kachar Pratim Das, a short, informed that the value of the seized consignment is about ₹30 lakhs. Families of the workers who died in the Andhra attack accident will receive ex-gratia payment of ₹5 lakh from the Assam Chief Minister and ₹2 lakh from the Prime Minister. Injured survivors will be given ₹50,000 from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Assam's Art and Culture Minister Bimal Bora said on a Friday that rescue operations resumed after being temporarily suspended due to darkness. The first body was recovered from a gorge around 1:40 p.m. and efforts continue to retrieve the remaining victims. Bora added that without the lone survivor reaching authorities, the accident might have gone unnoticed. The recovered bodies will be sent for post-mortem examinations. The accident occurred on Monday when a truck carrying workers from Tinsukia district in Assam skidded off the Hayulang-Jangalam road and fell into a deep gorge. Several workers are presumed dead, marking it as one of the deadliest road accidents in the region in the recent years.
राहुल खत्रिया सर ड्राइव राहुल खत्रिया एज 30 सर ड्राइव কৰা বুলি কৈ আছে বাকি 17 দিন মানৰ পাছত সোমবাৰ ৰাতি ঘটনা কৈছে 8 তাৰিখে হৈছে ঘটনাটো তাৰপিছত 10 তাৰিখে তেখেতে অলমোস্ট 600-700 ফিট তলত আছিল তো তেওঁ তাৰ পৰা উঠি আহিছে সো অলমোস্ট 1.5 एकदम स्टीप ना और डीप जंगल सर मैंने 700 फीट सर एकदम स्टीप तो কাৰণে স্যাৰ টাইম লাগি আছে
এখন ফুল পাঞ্জাব পতি আছে ন কাৰ্ডখন
দুজন ৰিকভাৰ হ'ল বাকী মানে ট্ৰেইছৰ ভিতৰত 15 বাকী আছে বাকীটো মিছিঙে ক'ব লাগিব
22 জন আছে টোটেল
22 জন ষ্টেটমেণ্ট যেটো বুধেশ্বৰে প্ৰথম দিছিল তো 22 জন আছিল তাৰ মাজত আগাইটো
মুঠতে 22 জনৰ ভিতৰত এতিয়া 17 জন ট্ৰেছ হৈছে তাৰ ভিতৰত দুজন ইতিমধ্যে
এজন তো সেভ আছে স্যাৰ আৰু দুজন ৰিট্ৰিভ কিন্তু
ৰাতি কেইটা বজাত হৈছে ঘটনাটো ৰাতি
তেওঁ কোৱা মতে স্যাৰ এক্স্যাক্টলি টাইমটো তো তেওঁ কোৱা নাই আমি অলপ আন্ধাৰা হৈছিলে বুলি ক'লে কিন্তু 8 তাৰিখ ৰাতি বুলি তেওঁ ষ্টেটমেণ্ট দিওঁ আমি আৰু বেছি কোৱেশ্চনিং কৰা নাই বিকজ
বস্তু ভাগৰি আছে
ढलाई जाती बोले मैं बोली कहाँ हाईलोंग बोले मैं तो हाईलोंग कहाँ सुनी नहीं जानी नहीं कि कहाँ है उधर काकू के नहीं देख ले कुछ आगे लगे मुझे भी भालो से नहीं देख मैं नहीं देख ले
আমার দাদা আইটি জান বয়স এই প্ৰথম গৈছে যোগাযোগ হৈছিল ঘটনাটো হোৱাৰ আগতে
আপোনাৰ ঘৰটো ক'ত মোৰ ঘৰ বিয়া হৈ গৈছো প্ৰগতি আছো মই আহিছো মানে দেতা
এইটো মোৰ দুটা ভাই মোৰ 2 নম্বৰ আৰু 3 নম্বৰ
তিনজনে আছিলে ন
আমি চাৰিটা ভাই আছো
আৰু আছে
4 নম্বৰটো বিচাৰিব গৈছে
অহি বিচাৰিব গৈছে 2 আৰু 3 জন নাই ন
সেইটো
মালা কাটি চেষ্টা কৰি আছে আৰু লাগি
আর ফ্যামিলি নাই মানে বড়টা আছে বড়টার
তাতে হেৰি কৰিছে উদ্ধাৰ কৰি আছে বহুত তলত গুচি গ'লতো উদ্ধাৰ কৰি আছে
আৰু ইয়াৰ সেইবিলাক লাগি আছে জানি বৰফ পৰিছে
রাজমিস্ত্রি আছিল তো রাজমিস্ত্রি আছিল
ৰাজমিস্ত্ৰি আছে ঢালাইত লাগে যে নামটো কি
रोहित मानके
ৰোহিত ঠিক আছে লাগি আছে চৰকাৰৰ পিনৰ পৰা দেই উদ্ধাৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে দেই আৰু ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰ কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰৰ তৰফৰ পৰা আৰ্থিক সহযোগিতাৰ কথা ইতিমধ্যে কোৱা হৈছে
That's all we have for now. Keep watching our